Most of us in our jobs have something that we wish our clients wouldn't do. So, MCs, like me, for example, we often moan about being booked very late in the event planning process. It's just because bringing in an MC at the last minute and giving them a script the day before and then expecting everything to flow smoothly is a little bit naive. It's expecting a lot of stars to align, and in reality, it sells everybody short. And I mean everyone being the client, the organizer, the MC, and of course the audience. Now, any MC worth their salt, like me, obviously, we can turn it on the day and become the hostess with the mostest, but without the real proper time for preparing and researching to gain a deeper understanding of what the event's all about, what the audience is about, what the objectives are, the client's expectations, it is just harder to sprinkle the magic. If you get a grasp of the real concept, the run of the show, all these little extras, it's so important, it's key, because even if the MC isn't directly involved in all these bits, when things go wrong, and they always do, there's human beings, there's going to be technology fails, contributors might flake on you. The MC, if they're 100% au fait with the event, they can just act accordingly and calm the waters rather than just guessing. And the job gets tougher if the MC is what I like to call a panic bolt-on, i.e. the client's decided pretty late on that they want to host, but the event has been designed without an MC in mind. In that latter case, it's also likely that there's not been enough budget for the MC. And so, like everything in life, you get what you pay for. Even if the budget, though, is on point, you are left scrabbling for any MC, and that might not be the right MC. The best case scenario is that the right one is free on the day of your event, but you've really limited their prep time, as I said before, and you've missed out on all the extras that they bring, because a good moderator's literally seen it all. They've seen events done well and events done badly, and they bring a real wealth of experience and ideas that would be so useful if only you'd known about them earlier. So, to be clear, and excuse the metaphor mixing, the earlier you bring us, the MCs, to the party, the more bang you get for your buck, and the more likely you are to hit the MC jackpot.